Alright guys, we are here at a top secret garage. Hopefully you can hear this. Out with Colin from Misfits, Drift, and Sharky. Both guys I know just from drifting. This is the shop that they use. It's pretty sweet. There's a ton of nice cars. But they are doing some work to a Subaru that they're hoping to flip. They got it super cheap. It needs a bit of love, so that's what we're doing tonight, is doing some work on that. And yeah, that's about it. Shoot the shit, hang out with some friends, wrench on cars.
Box ready.
So
Buggy. It's wrong engineering.
$500 Subaru. So cheap.
Technically 400 if you count the free O2 sensor cable. It doesn't need.
So we're gonna try and pull a tranny tonight?
Try? We're gonna fucking pull.
Pulling a tranny tonight. Alright.
Except I can't figure out how to get a fucking
Colin can't get the airbox off. But we're gonna get this fucking tranny out tonight.
money. Stupid shit.
Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Da, da, da.
That
I am.
one, or you've got the two people right inside the trans.
Da, 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 da.
Probably do that back. That bracket. This one is trans 2.
I'm missing so bad. Oh yeah.
Fancy all over people's glasses.
I learned that.
What about this O2 sensor?
What?
Did you get this one?
No, it's just got there's a little fucking retainer clip right above your hand though.
Oh, okay.
I don't feel like above one. I knew I could do it. I believed.
I believe I can fly.
I know the way. Where's the CD gonna go?
Somewhere.
Hold on. Here, let's talk to the camera here a little bit. Okay, so he thinks the CV's just gonna pop right out?
Yes.
No, it's not gonna happen. We gotta take the hubs off.
Well, just try. Just give it a little pry. See what happens. Worst is gonna happen is it does nothing. We're no further ahead.
Same fucking boat. Or you break something, then we get new fucking axles. I've gone through 30 this year.
Oh, it did something.
Okay. I
Oh.
might be wrong.
Oh.
But it'll get to there. But
Oh.
it won't pop out all the way. When this lowers, it should.
Yeah.
I don't believe.
No, I think he's right. I'm on
Push
it.
your back in. Push your back
Oh
in.
shit, we leaking, boy. They pop out. Drip, drip.
Okay. So there we go.
Once the trans is free,
I do a
you
transition.
you'd be able to rock it and take one side and then the other. Shouldn't be
Proof of concept.
Nah, I'm telling you right now. We're gonna get the transmission off, and it's gonna dangle, and it's like gonna be 2 inches on each fucking.
We'll fucking carry that. Then we'll take them off.
But then we're gonna have a transmission that's half off. We gotta worry about
It'll
this.
make for great footage.
Transmission.
Keys? Huh? They're right here.
Jesus Christ, that's bad. While I'm opening, take my phone. Just keep throwing stuff.
It'll burn up. Oh yeah, Milwaukee, hit me up!
Yeah, me first. I use this shit for a living.
Yeah,
Get the product placement.
there you go. Milwaukee, I need about 1,500 batteries. We did the math.
Different story.
That's a different proposal. We'll talk later. What do we got left? It's just a couple of bell housing bolts.
4 bell housing bolts.
Yeah, that's it. But I'm telling you right now, the CVs are gonna be a pain in the ass.
Oh, shut up. I hope it
all of you fucking $5.
I hope it just slides out.
I hope it doesn't. Just to prove it. It'll cost us more work, but I hope for my own.
All right, how about this? How about this? If it doesn't come out and we have to like do something, you have to pay the heating bill for today.
That's fine. It was like what?
Add it to the amount of money he owes me.
Yeah.
Add it to the bill.
Boom, 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 boom. Ooh. Ooh. She dark.
There's no metal in it though. There's no metal. It's not shiny, and it's not dark.
I'm sure.
That's not bad at all. First couple drops, that's not bad.
One like and I'll lick it.
Did you just... Oh, I thought he did it!
Oh.
Likes it. Do it. That looks pretty out to me.
They're not gonna pop out though. You know what I mean?
Nope, I don't.
All the way out, like to the point where they're out. You know?
I think we might need a bit more prying. Or we might have to crank the wheel to one side.
Oh fuck, I'm tired.
Worst stripper ever.
That was kind of graceful. A little bit. That was a slip. I almost fell.
It's going to, guaranteed. It will come out when you drop it, 100%.
Oh yeah, I never even thought of it. I'm just thinking of rear passing, right?
He's changing his tune real fucking quick, isn't he? Now there's money on the line.
$5 equal. $5, bitches.
$5 is $5.
I'll buy a big old bag of pork rinds.
Yeah, fuck yeah, pork rinds. Dude, pork rinds dipped in Caesar dressing. You want to feel fat? Do that. Especially Renee's. If we want to get specific. You want another tire? It cracked it cracked a little bit.
Yeah, I heard it.
One nut to rule them all.
Misfits Drift Team.
Misfit Drift Team 2018. Fixing things. That's fucking teamwork. Oh man.
We go together.
Because that's the only thing holding that tranny on.
Okay.
That's why it's so tight.
Yeah.
It's because it's got all the weight on it.
It's too late. This is why we shouldn't fucking let those cars before fucking
Oh, that'll do it.
Fucking out with the old.
Oh, with the old in, with the new.
Blasted ass.
Oh yeah.
Fucking junk.
Hey, nice shaft. I think there's a little shaft. I think we can wiggle it from one side, pull one CV out, and fucking wiggle it to the other side, pull the other CV out. Either way, let's just drop this bitch. It's fucking split already. So we can
More a little bit? No.
No, you can actually probably pump it up one or two. Yeah.
Fucking Subaru.
Subaru. That CD's got to come out. That's whoa, Jesus.
Watch your melon.
Yeah. Blind melon.
Dig it.
Oh, unless I can.
Oh, Colin's paying a heating bill tonight.
At this point,
Colin's paying a heating bill tonight.
12:30 at night. I'm tired. I get work.
Colin flying McDicks. Where are we going?
Like that. I don't know, that way.
Out.
I guess so. Yeah. Hold on.
Yep. Oh, it's so close.
What's the transmission hitting?
The tunnel.
Fuck. I don't think it actually does anything. That did absolutely fuck off. Nice.
No, it will, because now that can compress. It was it should come out now.
You're not supporting nothing anymore.
Yep. That is held up by CVs.
That's okay. Now we know.
It might. Oh.
Fucking slave line.
Ah, I do something?
You say the slave line?
No, because look, we can. We're not hitting the tranny tunnel more. What?
Oh man, it's so close.
I'll get another inch.
Here's the thing, we really only have to pull one hub.
I know.
Because you pull one and the other one, you can slide it over and you should be able to pull the other one out. I think.
I might want to put that back up.
Why?
That motor's literally hanging off the TVs.
It's okay.
Oh, stop up here. Listen to the fucking mechanic.
He changes oil for a living. Leave me alone.
There you go.
Oh, I just put that thing back in.
Yeah, it's not hard to do. You just band it.
And what?
You put a band around it.
Yeah.
There's no balls and shit floating around in there. You just need a fucking gear clamp to
Yeah.
fix this.
Yeah!
Like there's no balls and shit rolling around. So once you fucking line that up right,
You can repack it.
I got buried grease at home somewhere.
Yeah, the CVs needs a specific. Well, at least now we can get the other side out.
May as well. Oh boy.
Oh yeah, that's fun stuff.
You gotta do something cool for the thumbnail.
Yeah.
What?
Do something cool for the thumbnail. Yeah. I don't know. Sit on it or something.
Okay. So this took what? Subaru technician, 7 hours?
Subaru technician.
Book
time.
7 hours?
Yeah. Oh, that's back in?
In and out. Okay.
Oh, we fucked it then.
What? 3 hours.
With 4 knuckleheads doing it.
3 hours with 4 knuckleheads and 1 half mechanic. One does a little change from that to do. Yeah, so we're not doing too bad. That's it. We got the tranny out. And we set the effort about 5,000 times. That's
Yeah.
okay. I hate Subaru still. And I hope you guys come back to put it back in.
Nope, not happening.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe up there. Check us out up there. Misfits Drift Team. And yeah.
That works.
I know the way.